Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Well, today is our Christmas open house and our wrap-up party.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, it's wrapping it up and wrapping it up.
Ooh, wrapping it up and wrapping it in, I think.
That's true.
I feel like
Well,
we're gonna be boxed with in the 80s rap, rap music. Yeah, fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
We're so excited, ladies.
Yes.
Well, we look awesome.
I love that dress. Whoever lovelies that you own it, don't you love it? It's
wear
an
it a lot.
amazing dress. I would
pick it
have
often.
gotten it if you didn't get it, but you were rapidly snack.
I was quick on that one. I got the sample actually, and Charlie too is all dressed up with his new bow tie.
Thank you, Dale. Dale is this lovely woman who sends Charlie a Christmas bow every year.
No.
And I've put it on him right away, and I'm telling you, he's
Handsome.
the most dapper-looking dog in the neighborhood.
And ladies, if you're coming in the boutique today for our party, you'll see Charlie there, and me and Lousje will be there. Join us, ladies, for a little sip of bubbly and some treats, and we will be there from 11 to 2 today. We are also wrapping up our YWCA party.
Which has been
Campaign.
amazing.
Yes, for our donation campaign. It's been quite a party, though.
Oh my
Ladies,
goodness.
we've sold over 100 gift certificates, which is
Unbelievable.
amazing. Thank you
Unbelievable.
so much.
Yeah.
We cannot wait to hand it over to the YWCA. We'll definitely include a little clip and a little interview with the woman who's so kind and sweet. And we'll let you know the exact total amount on Christmas Day, and we will show a little clip of us handing it all over.
Exactly.
Very exciting.
You will be all part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was an amazing campaign.
It's still on today.
And it's still on
Yeah,
today.
so if you like, ladies, if you haven't already, $25, you can pick a gift card that we're going to donate to the YWCA.
Or two.
Yeah, and we are gifting you a $25 coupon to Lousje Bean that you can use anytime from January until May. So it's, a little win-win. It's great.
A win-win.
We're so happy to give back to our community in this
Exactly.
way. And it's awesome. And also, she wants to just talk about our outfits, which you're right. They're so great. I'm just saying we're also going to celebrate with our Christmas open house. Kick
True.
off the festivities.
Exactly.
But let's go into our outfits.
Yeah, okay. You want to go first?
No, you
Okay. Well, I am loving this sweater.
It's your own.
It's my own. Yes.
She owns one.
I love it. And at first I thought, okay, they're cute, they're beautiful. The wool used is
beautiful.
unbelievable.
I know. This is Masai, ladies, if you don't know. It's the new line that we have from Denmark.
You know, I love the brand.
Yeah,
I really
brand.
do love the brand. And I'm wearing it a lot with my jeans.
Yeah, very cool.
And now I have it on with the cutest little cut loose little walking skirt.
It's
black.
It's
got
great.
this pocket, cargo pocket, and I love the length.
It's cool.
It's got a really nice knit waistband that Cut Loose manufactures a lot into their designs. And yeah, it's comfy and it's smooth, right? Which is what we want. Got a little black cami from Semois. And these amazing earrings and this gorgeous necklace from, of course, Siska.
Siska, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
I love that you've popped it with that color.
Yeah.
And I can imagine too that I love this color on you, by the way.
Yeah.
Now that your hair's darker, because I don't know if you remember, Lousje was a blonde before, more blonde.
Yeah.
But I love this color with the darker hair.
I know.
And I can imagine this amazing with jeans. Like that's that.
Jeans, a white little t-shirt peeking out. Or a little, look.
Yeah.
Tessa, I should have this.
Look
Look how nice that looks.
Well, I was going to have it.
Oh.
I'm joking.
Oh, wow.
We're always, that's amazing. Anything. I feel like that's a bit of a chameleon too. It's a beautiful color.
Yeah.
And I love how they designed it with the cross grain ribbon here to see that peeking out. It's just those cool details, ladies, with the textures and the fabrics.
And the design of the
sleeve. The sleeve is darling.
It's got this little special little knit ribbon as the cuff.
Yeah.
And it's that look, right? And I love the length too.
Yeah.
The length is fantastic.
So I know we've sold out. This is a large, and that's what Lousje is wearing.
Because the small was, I waited and waited. And because we do wait, we don't just take. And I thought before it is all gone, I need to have one. And I thought large would be too big, but it isn't.
No,
it's that style. Hey? Yeah.
It's a nice bulky
I'm glad you
cardi.
approve. Yes.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Anyway, oh, and the tights from Bleu Forêt. And tights, what do we call them? Are these tights?
Tights, yeah. Like
Because they have
leotards.
feet on them.
Can we say
Leotards,
leotards?
tights. Yeah, not leggings.
It's
Yeah.
so nice and toasty warm here. Mom,
She's
by the
gonna
fire.
not leave my house.
And ladies, I have on the classic Kedzoric dress that I've been living in this fall winter. It's absolutely beautiful. And I want to show you a totally different look. I've been showing you different looks with it, but how great is this turtleneck?
Yeah.
Love it. And it goes down to here actually. Yeah, and I would wear this turtleneck just with leggings.
Oh yeah.
Like it's really cute.
It's adorable.
This is a 38, ladies. I think we started at a 38 because I mean, it's a bit fitted on top and then it poofs out. And then I believe this is a size 0 in the turtleneck. Beautiful Alembica piece. So from their urban collection. Yeah. Really cool.
Really cool.
Yeah. And then earrings, these cuties, the stragglers. Yeah, we just have one pair left.
Yeah.
Beautiful, the black.
Yeah.
And I still cannot find my ring.
Oh,
I know. I have to find it, ladies.
Oh, that's
awful. I
awful.
looked the other day a little bit, but I'm crossing my fingers that it's somewhere. We'll look again.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. All right, ladies, we hope to see you down at the boutique. If not, watch online. We are going to do a special little clip of handing over all the gift cards. So exciting. Tomorrow, we have the next 3 days will be fun. Me and Lousje are going to be here styling up some different Christmas themed outfits.
Excited.
So if it's a cookie party, if it's a Christmas luncheon, or if it's a Christmas dinner.
Evening dinner.
Evening out. We're going to give you some tips and ideas and different outfits that you can wear. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the videos. We hope to see you today. And as Lousje always says,
keep on smiling.